Hello viewers, welcome to Trend and Track channel. I am back with a new recipe. Yes, are you excited to know the ingredients required? Then have a look. Soda, sabja, bunch of pudina, ginger, lemon, some green chilies and some salt. We also need a mixer and we also need a large sized glass and a small sized glass. Now we need the paste of ginger, the paste of green chilies, the paste of pudina. Now, take the small size glass and squeeze lemon. You can also add some more lemon as per your taste. Now add 1 spoon of green chili paste, 1 spoon of ginger paste, 1 spoon of pudina paste, and 2 spoons of sabja. And finally add enough salt. As I said you before, you can add the ingredients as per your taste and mix it well. Now add soda to this large sized glass. And let's see what happens when this mixture falls into this glass. Yes, it's working out. The soda is pumping out. You have to drink at this moment to get a lot of joy. It's excellent. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Trend and Track. Thank you.